In today's digital world, businesses face a crucial decision: on-premises or co-location data centers. Each option offers unique advantages and challenges, impacting flexibility, cost, and scalability. On-premises data centers are owned and operated by organizations, providing complete control over IT infrastructure. However, they require significant investment in construction, maintenance, and upgrades, often diverting resources from core business activities. Co-location data centers, operated by service providers, offer shared space, power, and services. Businesses benefit from the provider's expertise and infrastructure improvements, without the burden of managing their own facilities. Co-location offers financial predictability with an operational expenditure model, scalability for expanding into new markets, and access to a global digital ecosystem. It supports advanced technologies like AI with high-performance infrastructure and promotes sustainability through efficient energy use. Selecting the right co-location partner is essential. Our partner Equinix, for example, provides a global platform, extensive partner ecosystem, and innovative solutions like low-latency cloud on-ramps and NVIDIA partnerships. Their commitment to sustainability ensures businesses meet their environmental goals while optimizing data center operations. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more.